Right, as is the way of things, I've just come out, I've moved the car, I've literally only driven it 3 times, but as is the way of things, I've come out to clean the seats with this supernatural leather cleaner as recommended to me by Thomas Turner on Instagram, and I tried it on a small patch and it is amazing. But as is the way of things, it started to absolutely hammer it down. It's not raining lightly, it's fucking bucketing down, and it was sunny 3 minutes ago when I moved the car. I can't find any masking tape, so I've just used sellotape, which is probably going to relieve a residue, but I'm going to do half the seat. And I'm just going to spray this stuff on directly and work it in with a brush, just a normal paintbrush. Now, as it's so mucky and water is going up my ass somehow, there's tons of water just flowing into the car. The carpet is drenched, but I've sprayed it on now, so I'm going to work this in. I've shown you a photo of what it looked like before. Now, I tried it on a small patch, this stuff, and it's just stunning. I tried the auto glim, it did nothing, literally nothing. And you can already see there's so much muck coming off, and there's just some crazy coffee stains, I think it is. I hope it's not anything worse than that. I haven't got a good clean line that's gonna be demarcation between, you know, where I've cleaned and where I haven't, so that full impact and effect of what I'm trying to do probably won't show. But I'm going to use a white towel to show you how much is coming off. Now I'm going to use this on the seats, the base, the back of the seat, center console, handbrake, gear stick, steering wheel, because that's got loads of muck on, the dash tops, the seat tops, and I hope it's going to transform it. And I think it's going to be the difference. It's going to make the difference, because the carpet clean has kind of given me hope that this car isn't just that horrific that I just thought, oh, I can't even bear to look at it. Whereas now I'm starting to realize that it's actually just mucky, and if I can just get it clean, then it doesn't look so unloved. Then someone can make it into a really nice car just by doing about 3 or 4 mechanical things on it, do them at weekends, and just in a few weeks have an awesome driving car. Obviously I still haven't driven it with the top down, because, you know, we're in England and it's autumn. So much for the Indian summer. But let's just have a look. Now, Thomas did say to me, don't go crazy, but I am actually going crazy because this seat is so disgusting. But he said his car was the same, and I think he had leather, grey leather as well. But this already looks transformative, and these stains, which are like a drink, they look a bit like shit and piss. So it's not helping. The carpet is actually now drenched because of the rain, and I know it'll stop as soon as I go inside. So let's do the worst bits. See, I thought those stains would never come out, those yellowy stains, which I'm pretty convinced is some kind of coffee, tea, hot chocolate, something like that. Bizarrely, the passenger's done the same thing, which, you know, I guess if your driver's doing that kind of thing, your passenger's going to do it too. This supernatural. So I've got 500 milliliters. I got it from Amazon. I can't remember, it might have been 20 quid or 14.99. I'll have to look it up. Supernatural leather cleaner. And like I said, the auto glim stuff, which costs an absolute load, and I've had it for ages, just did nothing. Just pure white foam, wasn't taking anything off. Whereas this, you can just see the muck coming off. Right, I'm going to get a clean white towel. Clean towel. So let's go give it a wipe down. This is just a first wipe now, first pass. Let's look at it. Holy schmoly. And look at the seat. Right, That difference is amazing, so I'm going to go to town. I don't know if there's any value in having the camera running, but this is so gross. You can just see it pouring off.